Hello, today we will guide you through how to automate Facebook Messenger with Manychat. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Manychat account and looking at the main dashboard. From the Home tab, you'll be starting the setup for a simple messenger automation. This is a great way to create quick responses for people who contact you through Facebook, and it can help you save time while keeping replies consistent. Once you're on the home screen, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Automation. This section is where Manychat lets you build automated flows, triggers, and responses for your messenger experience. After the automation page opens, click on New Automation. This starts a brand new workflow and gives you a blank space to create exactly what you need. Since we're creating a custom setup, choose Start from Scratch. This option is useful because it gives you full control over the automation instead of using a pre-built template. Next, inside the automation builder, click on New Trigger. A trigger tells Manychat when the automation should begin. In this case, select Facebook Shop message. That means this workflow will activate when a message comes in through your Facebook Shop, making it a practical option for handling customer interest or product questions automatically. After choosing the trigger, enter a sample message. This will be the message your audience sees when the automation starts. Keep your wording clear and helpful so the person receiving it immediately understands what to do next. For example, a short welcome or support message works well here. Even though this is just a sample, it's a good idea to make it sound natural and on brand. If you want to give people a clear action to take, click on Add Button. Buttons make your messenger automation easier to use because they guide the conversation and reduce the need for someone to type a reply manually. After adding the button, enter the button name. Choose a label that is short and easy to understand, since this text will be visible to the user and should clearly describe what happens when they click it. Once the button name is entered, click Done to save that part of the setup. At this point, your basic Facebook Messenger automation is in place inside Manychat. As a final tip, take a quick moment to review the trigger, message text, and button label before moving on. Small edits can make the automation feel much smoother for your audience. With that, you've created the foundation of a messenger automation using Manychat.